Don't use this massive ugly code to remove duplicates from the list anymore. Instead, we can do this job in a single line of code. Let's see how to do it. First of all, I am going to create a variable called removeDuplicate. To remove duplicates, Python has a built-in function called set. The only thing we need to do to remove the duplicates is to put our list within this set function. Let's do it. Inside of set function I have put our list. Finally print our list here and see the output. Well, you can see the duplicate elements are gone. But you can see that the output type is set. But we expect it as a list. Let's change this into a list. This is not a big deal. Simply type like this before the set function, the output will become a list. Alright, you can see what we expected. Guys, don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this.